Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore an exciting AI video maker tool called DeepBrain AI. This tutorial will help you learn how to generate videos from text using AI. We will walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring that even beginners can follow along easily. To start, let's go through the registration process. Click the link in the description below to access the AI Studio. You can sign up using your Google account or your email. This will give you a free trial version, which is perfect for getting started. Once you have completed the registration, log into your dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will be presented with a bunch of options. The left side panel includes navigation links to various parts of the platform, such as Home, Templates, Avatars, Voices, Projects, and Videos. You can also access help resources like the Beginner's Guide and Help Center. At the top, you'll find quick access options like Custom Avatar, Dream Avatar, Video Messages, and more, allowing you to create specific types of videos easily. Next, you have to start with a template section. This section lets you choose pre-designed templates based on your needs. You can filter them by categories like YouTube and TikTok, business, commerce, education and training, etc. On the right side, there is also the landscape and portrait option, allowing you to make videos in your desired ratio. At the top of the page, you will see the prompt bar. Here you can write your prompt and AI will generate videos for you. Let's write something here to begin creating our first video. For this example, I will ask to create a video about tips for social media influencer. You can type in any topic you are interested in. After entering your prompt, select Generate. The AI will then begin generating your video, so be patient and wait for this process to complete. After the video has been generated, you will have the option to start rendering your video or customize it further. This is where you can make the video your own. On the left sidebar, you can see various editing tools. The Templates section helps you choose from pre-made templates for your video projects, offering a quicker starting point with preset designs and formats. You can select templates for business, news, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Since my video is only for entertainment, I will select one template from YouTube section. Next is the model. This allows users to choose a digital avatar or AI presenter to use in the video. DeepBrain AI offers various AI models, including male, female, and models of different races. You can create your own custom avatar or choose from the AI avatar section. The text feature allows you to add text layers to the video. You can write text that will appear as captions or on-screen graphics. Fourth is captions. This provides an option to add subtitles or captions for your video automatically or manually. You can also adjust the caption timings as you need. Media allows the import of images, videos, and other media files into the project. You can add these images from Shutterstock or Pixabay. Similarly, you can add audio files, either from their audio library or by uploading your own music or sound effects. Assets section adds additional media assets like music, sound effects, or other elements. You can record your screen and add it instantly or import the asset from your computer. If you want to further enhance your video, you can explore the shape tools, which let you add different design elements like arrows, rectangles, and circles for emphasis or design. Last is Generate. This can generate elements such as text-to-speech or AI-generated animations. You can generate an image or video by typing anything in the prompt section. Under the prompt, there is a Style section. You can choose the image style and size, and AI will generate you the image. At the bottom, you can see your generated video and the number of different sections of the video. On the right side, you have the dialog box, which shows the script or dialogue that the AI avatar will speak. You can customize the text here, change the model, the voice of the model, and even the language and accent of your model. You can also choose the voice cloning option and record your voice. Down here, you have the AI script option. You can generate your script on a topic easily using ChatGPT. Like here, I will write influencers on social media and click on Generate. ChatGPT will present you with the text results which you can add into your video. Next, you can adjust the screen speed. You can increase or decrease the speed according to your needs. Click on Apply after adjusting the settings. Next, add gestures if it is supported by your avatar, add a pause, access the dictionary, and add a personalized tag. Once you're all done, preview the entire video to see how it looks before exporting by clicking on the Preview button. Then, click the Export button and select the video option. You will need to wait a bit as the rendering process completes. After the rendering is done, you will receive a notification in your email. This lets you know that your video is ready for viewing. Once you have your video, you can share it with friends, family, or your audience. Here's an example of the video result you can create with DeepBrain AI. That's it for today's tutorial on how to use DeepBrain AI. I hope this video helped you understand the process of creating a video using this tool. Be sure to click the link in the description to access the AI Studio and start generating your video. As no credit card is required, you can try it risk-free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.